Did you know that every month a portion of your hard-earned salary gets deducted in the form of taxes or TDS? This amount can add up and you could end up eventually losing up to Rs 15,000 annually. But wait, what if there was a way to claim it back? Introducing tax filing on WhatsApp by ClearTax. Claim your tax refund directly in your bank account, easily on WhatsApp and in your own language. Here is how you can claim it back. Firstly, start by typing hi in the chat box and then select the language you're comfortable with. Once done, enter your email address so that we can send all the important communication related to your filing. You will then receive a one-time password or OTP on this email address. Kindly go to your Gmail app, open the email sent by ClearTax and then enter the OTP in the chat box. Next, enter your PAN number to get started with the tax filing process. You can easily find your PAN number on your PAN card. Once you have entered your PAN, you will receive another OTP on your registered mobile number. Kindly enter that OTP in the chat box. Please be patient. The OTPs can sometimes take a few minutes to arrive, so don't close your WhatsApp during this time. Once the OTP is verified, the pre-fill process begins. You will then see your tax summary showing details about your income and most importantly, any tax refund you are eligible for. Now, click on the Do E-File Now button to submit your tax details. You will then receive a payment link. Simply click on this to complete the payment. After payment, kindly return back to WhatsApp to complete your filing process. And please be patient and do not close the WhatsApp during this time. Once you see the confirmation, your tax submission will be successful. But there is still one last step which is called as e-verification. Kindly click on the tax verification button, then enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number to complete the verification. Congratulations, your income tax filing is now complete and your refund will be processed and credited to your bank account in 30 to 45 working days. By the way, if you have not completed the bank validation, kindly refer to the video shared to you on WhatsApp. Last year, over 2 lakh gig workers filed ITR through ClearTax WhatsApp and unlocked refund worth Rs 40 crore, of which 75% were first-time filers. By filing ITR, not only you get refund, but also benefit from financial inclusion with easier approval for bank loans and credit cards. And please be assured, your data is 100% secure as ClearTax is the license holder of Income Tax Department and over 6 million Indians have trusted and used our platform. So friends, that's how easy it is to claim your refund directly into your bank account through WhatsApp. So what are you waiting for? Start your ITR filing today and claim your tax refund.